So in your templates, you can do this, or whenever you're doing an email to a person, you can set it up in either place. It's the same thing. Let me just do it from the contact record itself and go into an email editor. The main thing that you want to see is this little icon here. It looks like a little pin, like it's signing something. This is to edit your signature and any other custom fields. So whenever you come in here, you can see there is a signature merge field that you can set up. And up here at the top, each time the signature is used, it could be used by different people on your team if you've got multiple team members. So whenever you click on the down arrow on here, if I was to go to Cody's signature, I can see his signature. If I go to Mackenzie's signature, I can just see hers. If I go to my signature, I can see mine. Each of them a little bit different, each of them a little bit, and you can set up for a SMS signature versus an email signature. Now, if your upper left corner only has the all option, that all option is kind of like a default. If a certain person doesn't have their signature set up, this is what it's going to be used. And this can be helpful where if you're bringing on team members and they're sending out stuff and they haven't had a chance to set up their signature yet, it would at least have some signature in there as a default. But if you need to add them to this, if they're not in this drop-down list, come over here on the right-hand side, click on the little plus, and choose one of your team members that's in your account, say Ace. And now Ace is in here, and now I can set up the signature, the email signature, and the SMS signature. Ace step 417-555-1212. Ace at workflow secrets.info. If I come over here for SMS, I can do the same thing and put it in. Typically, your email and your SMS, your email is going to be more sophisticated in a lot of ways. You probably wouldn't want certain things in here, but you set them up the way you want, and then come down and click on the save button. Now, anytime I'm sending from Ace, the signature merge field will use whatever. If I'm sending an SMS, we'll use this. If it's an email, it'll use this. And I can make it as fancy or as basic as you like. You can include images. You can make links. You can do all the different stuff. You can do the same thing for other custom merge fields. So if you need to make a custom header or a footer, or if you want to create something, special links for something that you use a lot of, instead of having to change those links every time, you can use a merge field that you change those links occasionally. One of our users, Don Pelletier, has what he calls a brag field. So like, let me add another merge field here, a custom brag list. And what this is the brag list. If I come here to brag list, this might have my recently sold list or whatever. And he can use this merge field, custom brag list, as a merge field. And anytime that he has a brand new listing that he wants, or a recent sale or something that he wants people to be aware of, he can add it to this brag list. Anytime this merge field is used in any of his templates, it automatically goes out and it shows that item. So you only have to update it in one place instead of all the different places that you send that out. So anything that you have a block of text that changes occasionally, that you want to include in multiple different emails, use a merge field for that, and it will let you do it. And you can set that merge field up by person, just like the others as well. So in this case, everybody would use the same merge field or merge brag list merge field items because it's set for all. But if Cody needed a different list, he can come in here, add Cody to the list, have his own brag list, and then anybody else have their brag list, whatever. So the whole idea of the merge fields is to be able to edit them in one place and use it. And you can use it for everybody, or you can use it for individuals. That makes sense?